Hey guys, welcome to the Verywell food. Natalia M. Ferris is a passionate home chef, culinary educator, and author dedicated to helping cooks of all skill levels find joy and confidence in the kitchen. Do you know about cooking? We've prepared 20 cooking questions from this book and you have only 10 seconds to guess the answer. Are you ready for this challenge? Before starting, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. What is the first step in frying Boudin links? At what temperature should you heat the oil for frying Boudin links? How long should you fry Boudin links until they are crispy and golden? What tool is recommended for removing Boudin links from the oil? What should you do with the Boudin links after removing them from the oil? How should fried Boudin links be served? What can be paired with fried Boudin links for added flavor? What does frying add to the Boudin links? What effect does heat from frying have on Boudin links? What is a suggested occasion for serving fried Boudin links? What is the main ingredient in Boudin links? What type of oil is recommended for frying Boudin links? How can you test if the oil is ready for frying? What should you avoid when placing Boudin links into the hot oil? What is the purpose of draining fried Boudin links on a paper towel lined plate? What is a common characteristic of Boudin links? What is the recommended internal temperature for cooked Boudin links? What is a potential risk of frying Boudin links at too high a temperature? What kitchen equipment is essential for frying Boudin links? What is the final step after frying and draining Boudin links? How many answers did you guess easily? Drop your answer in the comments section. Subscribe for more cooking tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.